Great. When you're ready, the first part of this practice, also making sure your hand is down like this. Okay, shoulder away from the ear. Okay, ready. Top leg up, flex and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. 5. You got to move. 6. Inhale and exhale. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, lift the top leg up. Also lift the bottom leg and bring it down. 1. And down. 2. Up, up, and down. 3. Up, up, down. 4. Inhale, inhale, and exhale. 5. 6. Lift, lift, and 7. Up, up, and 8. Up, up, and 9. 1 more, and 10. Now together. Up. 1, 2, 3. Focus on your side. 5. Try not to wobble so much. Try not to rock your body so much. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, lift up and hold the top leg. Flex your ankle. The top leg goes up. 1, up, 2, up, 3. You have to work this leg individually. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last time. 10. Finish all the way down. That's all it takes. Well, the circle, your favorite. Legs up, top leg circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And rest. Lift again and reverse the circle. 10, 9. Should feel your tummy, your hip. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, and 1. Bring it down and rest. Final exercise here. Lift your head up. Lift your side up and the legs up nice and high. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Again, breathe in and out. Inhale, stay. Exhale to release. That's your 2. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Breathe in and out. Breathe in to stay. And breathe out and release everything down. Wow. So, right from there, let's come up and sit upright. So, you notice that your body has been working through different muscles. We've been working the front, we've been working the back, the side. We also have the core muscles that are in the back. But we will go through various exercises again here to actually stretch your back before we're going to strengthen it back, okay? So the first practice is to roll back down. This is called the corkscrew. The practice helps you to really mobilize and strengthen the lower part of your spine. This part, the lumbar spine. So let's put your hands right by side of your hips. We're almost there. We just got very important exercises from now onwards. So pay attention and stay focused. Lift your legs up to the straight. So I'll show you what happens here. First part is take your leg to the right, bring them down, and lift them up from the left. Then you take it to the left, and bring it up from the right. Just like that. So it goes to the right, down, left, and here. And goes to the left, down, and around. So it's like a semicircle. You take from the right to left, left to right. Now you can add some more fun to this or some more movement to this. I'll show you first quickly, and then we try one of these options. So here's how you do it. Take it to the right, circle down around and lift up from your left side. It's like a rollover. And then you take it to the left, roll down on the left side, lift it up from the right, and down from the right side, and you lift it up from the left. The same exercise can be done by using just lying down near the couch, and you just hold the, just under the couch, you can hold on to something. So I gave you 3 different options, you know what I mean. So to do that, first part of this is to simply make sure the legs stay here, 45 degrees. Do not go too low yet. Down here, up, and then roll, and lift up from here. You have to use your hands a little bit, and because your arms connect directly through your abs or indirectly through your abs, you just can work them together. Left, you roll down to the left side. Lift up from the right. So choose an option and let's start to do that together. If you've already done a few times, it's okay. Let's do a few more. So, ready? You choose an option that is best suiting you today. Start. We're going to do 4 times both ways, starting from now. Take it to the left and up. Down from the left. Take it to the right and lift up. Down from the right. That's 1. Take it to the left. Lift up from the left. And down from the left. And take it to the right. Lift up from the right. And down to the right. Right? 2 more to go. Left. And down. Take it to the right. And down. And again, take it to the left. This is the last round. You choose an option that works best for you for now. And later we can build this up even more. And bringing it nice and down. Release. Let's roll up and sit with your legs wide apart. This will be a nice stretch for your back. So separate your legs, keep your hands outside. First, rotate your spine fully to one side. Come back to the center. Rotate the spine the other side and come back to center. First part is to keep your hands back like this. Draw your shoulder blades down and stretch your arms more, and then pull the shoulder blades down, lifting the chest up. Move your hands back. Hold and then release. Let go. Let's try again. Hands in the front. Open your arms. Move them back and put your shoulder blades down. Again, open and put your shoulder blades even down, nicely, like you're really deepening the shoulder blade. Back and down. Hold. This really lengthens your neck. You could feel the length, and then release everything down. In the next round, open your arms. Do nothing there. Just keep the shoulder blades intact. Rotate your spine, and like you do a saw, saw your little toe. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Come back up. Inhale to rotate and exhale going down. 1, 2, and 3. Come back up. Rotate, and as you exhale, go down. 1, 2, and 3. Lift yourself up. Rotate and going down. 1, 2, 3. Come back up and release your hands. Right, let's come up on your tummy, face down. The next series is just to help you activate your back muscles. It's important. You might do this position, basically, you're doing it on the floor, of course, you don't have access to this mat. So you put your hands on the floor, just by side, but it has to be a little bit wider. Okay? So, let me show you the other way. So, your hands will be outside your mat, off the mat. Hand will be your shoulder and hand must be in the same line. Legs will be separate and toes pointing out. So what you do next is lift the face up and chest up. You have to bypass your belly. Do not do the cobra, okay? Pick up your abs, just like that, and tighten up those buttocks. So you're really lifting your abdominal wall. I'm not touching my belly to the floor, and I'm not doing a cobra, right? You know the difference. You have to pull up nicely. This will create a nice arch in your back, and then come down. So you maintain a nice round on the upper back and arch neutral spine on your lower back. Let's try that. Breathe in, breathe out. Pick up, really use those arms and the buttocks are really tight. Breathe in, breathe out and lower down. Let's add some more movement to it. Inhale, exhale, Pick your abs up. Now, right from this position, what you do next is, when your belly goes down, you lift the legs up. And then when the legs go down, you lift the belly up. Notice that my head is very still. I am not moving your head in any position. This will protect my lower back. The more you move your head, the more you're going to hurt your lower back. So, make sure your head stays still and you just move your legs and arms, and you can start lifting your hands a little bit and forward, up, and forward and up. Stretch forward and up. 3 more to go. We call it swan dive. Up. Watch your head. It's not moving. 2, 1 more. And finish. Release. Push back and stretch. All right. Let's come up on your knee. So for the next practice, I'll have you sit down with your legs folded like this. Just 2 exercises and we're all set to go, okay? Hands in the front, maybe 3. Okay, so first, lean back a little bit. Keep your one leg up straight. Roll your spine halfway down and lift up. That's your 1. Roll and up. 2, roll and lift. 3, changing, okay? Leg up, roll. Inhale, come up. 1. Almost there, ladies and gents. And coming up. 2. 1 more. Roll it back. And up. 3. Sit upright. Whew. How about we try a little bit different? Or maybe difficult? So try your legs up in the air. Hands in the front. Woo, this is balancing. Roll your lower back down. And come back up. You can do this. 1. And lift up. 2. 1 more. 1 more. And up. 3. And release it up. Whew. Should we do 1 more? So you can do the same, all legs straight. It's just the progression, doing it with the legs straight. Roll down and up. Woo. 1. Watch out. And lift up. 2. And up. 3. Release everything down. Move your hands nice and back. On your mat is okay. If you're putting your hands on the mat, make sure your hands are like this. See the fingers pointing outside. Like that. Okay? Or I'm going to just use this particular tool here. Legs will be up. Small circles for the hip twist. Pulling 1. Make sure your shoulders are not rounded. Your arms are straight. 3 times. And then you reverse. 1. Up. 2. Up. And 3. And come back in. 1 more time. Okay, I'll do it without that hole. So, your hand should be wide. If I was to do this on the floor, I would have my hands separate, nice and wide like this. Okay? Lift the legs up. And circle. Pull. 1. Abs are tight. And 2. Circle. And 3. And reverse. Pulling up. 4. 1. And 2. Last 1. And 3. Finish. You release. Let's come up on your knees. So we're going through a final exercise, okay, and that is going to be the push-ups. To do that, first we prepare. Step 1, keep your hands firm, keep your legs firm. Hold this position. Lift your hips up, walk your hands back to your feet. Walk your hands forward. Now you're in the plank position here. You could drop your knees for simple options, okay? Going down a little bit and up. You point your elbows slightly out and behind you and then come up. 2. We do 3 pulses or 3 push-ups first and 3. Lift and walk your hands back to your feet. We're going to roll up and stand into an upright position. Let's try that again. Chin down to the chest. Round your back. Folding. Nice. Walk your hands forward. Hold the position. You drop your knees or do not drop your knees. We're going to do 6 push-ups right there. Down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look front. 5 and 6. Push your hips back. Walk your hands again. And roll yourself up. Wow. This is getting really, really hard, isn't it? So the last part, the last round, this time only 9 times. So drop the chin to the chest, round your back. You can do this. You have always done it very well. And in my presence or not, you still can do it. This will be the 9, okay? You can keep those arms firm, legs firm, look front. Actually activate your abs in the buttocks. Now down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Almost there. 7. Come on, don't give up now. 8 and 9. Push back, walk your hands. Wow. Roll up and stand upright. Nice work, isn't it? Before we wrap up everything, I'd like to do one cool down practice here that is for your hips. It helps you reset your hips and pelvis, okay? It's one of the very classical exercise taught by Mr. Joseph Pilates. So to do that, I'll just do it this way. Your toes pointing, heels slightly lifted in the air, hands behind your head. You make sure you keep your spine very long as you do this exercise, okay? So, ready we go. Breathe in. On the exhalations, we lower the pelvis. 1, do not raise your heels, just slightly up, okay? 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, up. That's 1. 8 times. Down, down, down. Up, up, up. That's your 2. Make sure your knees turn out every time. Open like a ballerina. Up, 2, 3. And out. And 4. Do not lean forward. Balance. 5. 6. Good. 2 more. You can do this. It's easy. Or maybe not. 7. 1 more time. Whew. And up fully. 8. Release everything down. Can we do 1 more round? Just to wrap it up. I'll show you the side view. Same way, your toes will turn out, heels together, hands behind. The final round, and you can do this. Ready to go. Down and up. 1. A little bit more busty movement. 2 and up. 3, 4. No leaning forward. 5, 6, 7, like you're doing a reformer on the floor. 8 and lower. Open up your elbows, lift the chest, bend slightly backwards. And release. And that's all there is. So, how do you feel? I hope you enjoyed today's session as well. And as always, I'm here to work this out for all of us. Hopefully, you can come in more often and also invite your friends to come in and join these classes. So for now, I need a lot of comments from you. All your feedbacks, whatever you feel, what didn't work, what worked, what exercise you feel like was just not really helping, if you found any instructions were too quick, anything. So you just let me know anything that you have at this point. Otherwise, we're all good. Thank you very much for joining again today. Namaste.